Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Cerave moisturizing cream and the Cerave moisturizing lotion. So now looking at the ingredients in them and the formulation, they're both formulated for dry to very dry skin, and they both practically contain the same ingredients. So you'll be wondering, okay, what's the difference? Like, what should I consider when making a choice, which one to get? So that's what I'm here to answer. I am going to let you know how to select which one for your skin conditions and skin concerns. So it basically depends on how you want to use them. And now, let me tell you guys before I start, I'm currently using this moisturizing cream, and this one I think I've exhausted it. So this one is brand new. It just came in and I ordered it specifically for this video because I've been getting a lot of questions on this. I had a short that I did and I got a lot of questions from you guys, so I decided to purchase it. So that's how much I, listen to you guys and all that. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So now, first things first, this is not going to be a comparison video where you compare, okay, is it for oily skin, is it for dry skin? This is for dry to very dry skin. So the main point is, okay, what body part am I going to use it for? What condition, what do I actually need? What are my expectations? So that is basically what I'm just going to highlight in this video. So now, even when your entire body is dry, I mean, if you have general dry skin, because some people have oily face and dry skin, whereas some people have their entire body is dry, but it still differs a bit. So you find out that because the face has a lot of the face tends to be more oily than the rest of the body because there's more pores on the face as opposed to the body. And then because the face as well is exposed to more environmental aggressors, the sun, wind and everything, so the face is more prone to be sensitive than the rest of the body. And the body, most times we have it clothed, and the body does not have as much pores. So I'm just trying to highlight a bit of some points where you find out that your face differs from your body, and why some things that work on the body will not be most suitable for the face. So now first I'm going to address this Cerave moisturizing cream, the one in the tub. So what you notice is that once you open it, the product is very thick. I think I should do basically like a side-to-side comparison. It will be better. And then this one is the moisturizing lotion. So you can already see the difference. This is thicker, and then over time this one would tend to glide down, and you can see how sort of lightweight this is, the lotion is, whereas this one is thicker in consistency, very thick. Can you see? Look, I've basically massaged them, but this one still has that film over it. So now moving to the moisturizing cream, the one in the tub, the thicker one. This one is more of an occlusive. So remember that these two products contain ceramides, they contain hyaluronic acid and everything, but the difference is that this one has petroleum in it. So think of like petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is a good sealant. So basically what it does is that it forms a film over the skin, and it helps to lock in moisture. So in essence, this will be very good for people with severely dry skin on the body. You have very dry skin, you're prone to eczema, and you want that product that's when you apply, you want a moisturizer that when you apply, it doesn't look like you did not apply anything. This is a better choice, and it can be used on the elbow area, focus on the areas, mostly on the areas with serious dryness. So let's say the elbow area, you apply a lot and then massage in and then allow a film over it, and that film, basically what it is, it's going to serve as an occlusive, and it's going to help to alleviate the excessive dryness. And the best way to use this is right after you shower, allow a bit of water on the skin, allow the skin to be damp, basically, then apply this intensively, apply this generously on the skin. So what I'm saying in essence is maybe for your you go in with this, that's not enough. Go in, be very generous. Yes, you can use as much as this, maybe for your entire legs, but I'm just going to apply this on my arm and just show you for demonstrative purposes. So this is how you want to apply it on your body. you know, take your time, apply it, and then when you feel like it's absorbed in, just the way you know you've used enough is that you still see a bit of film like this. Just give it time, it would eventually fade, but this is very important because this is how the skin is going to be properly, you know, wrapped up, blanketed, and the occlusive will do its job. So basically it's going to seal all the moisture and all the goodness. Ooh, I've messed my clothes up. It contains inside. So that is how you want to use the cream, and that is a difference when it comes to this. So now moving to the moisturizing lotion. So this one, the ingredients in that replace, this one does not have petroleum. So you see it is not an occlusive. This is lighter in consistency. So that being said, this can be used on the face and on the body as well. But I would say that yes, this is most suitable for use on the face, and it's not as heavy as the cream. So generally when you hear lotion and cream, the main difference is that cream is usually thicker in consistency, and you notice that creams usually come in tubs like this, as opposed to, and lotion sometimes they can come in tubes, they can come with pumps. So like this comes with pumps. Lotions tend to flow easily and everything. And then lotions are not the best choice for people with excessively dry skin. Even though this is dry to very dry skin, I would say yes, you can use it on the face if you're dry to very dry. But if you want to use this on the body, definitely you're going to use an occlusive to seal everything in, such as like Vaseline or even Cerave advanced ointment or any other, you know, let's say your oils, just to ensure that to get the most out of your lotions. So now as an esthetician, when someone approaches me, what I'm going to ask is, what are your expectations? What do you want to get out of your, you know, what are your expectations basically? So if you want that richly, intensively moisturizing cream, I would say this one, the Cerave moisturizing cream for the body. And if you want, your skin is not excessively dry, but you just want to maintain a good level, but you find out that other creams does not work for you, and you're not really a fan of products that feel a bit greasy, I would say go for the moisturizing lotion. And also if you have maybe your Vaselines, your occlusive, and you're not excessively, your skin is not too dry, I would say opt for the lotion, because in an event where you have your Vaseline and all that, you can use this and then use the Vaseline over. That's it. And I would also say, if you are prone to acne, do not use this on your face. Don't use the cream on your face, because you find out that it's quite heavy on the face just because it contains the petroleum and it's an occlusive. So you don't want anything that will make you feel like your skin like it's suffocating. But this one, the lotion, I would use it entirely on, like if you have somewhat if you're looking for that moisturizer and that would serve for your face and your body, and you're on a tight budget, you don't want to buy buy multiple moisturizers, this is the best bet for you to go for the moisturizing lotion. So this is also for people with excessively dry skin. Just using this once and thinking it will work, it doesn't work that way. Make sure to use it religiously, possibly 2 times a day, morning and nighttime, and make sure to apply it on damp skin. That's how to get the most out of it. And once again, if you have excessively dry skin, I would suggest you go for the one in the tub, the Cerave moisturizing cream, or it even also depends on the weather. Do you understand? So if you're in the temperate areas or it's winter time, the temperate areas and it's the winter time, I would always go for the moisturizing cream, because you need as much occlusive as possible, because that's when the heating, there's excessive moisture loss outside, the environment is so excessively drying. I would say go for the tub. But if it's during summertime, you're in the temperate areas, you're in the tropical area, it's summertime, I would say go for the lotion, because it's lighter. Sometimes this one might just feel too heavy if you are in the tropics, and if you're one that you feel like you're choking when you apply some moisturizer. So I would say go for the moisturizing lotion, and that's it. So I hope this video has been able to help you make a decision what moisturizer to get, whether to get the lotion or to get the cream. So Anyway, with all that being said, I will catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching.